Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana hobby guy. And I think I'm going to start calling my viewers uh, beta verifiers. One of my viewers made a comment on the master copy along path video that I did. Let me see if I can find it really quickly because, it's a good comment, a really good comment. But he made a comment in here that he was able to do this without finding the origin. I'd like to give him credit. Here it is. It's from Rebel Taz 123. He says, I'm just wondering if there's a specific reason for ensuring the shape is aligned to the second shape's origin. I asked this because I just did a test with a large circle with smaller circles around it, and it snapped to any one of them, basically, is what he's saying there. So let's give that a try. And I think that maybe Lightburn has changed, and we don't need to do that anymore. So let's draw out two circles like that. We're going to select the big one, and we're going to convert that one to a path. And then we're going to just take this one and snap it anywhere. We're definitely not going to find, this will only have 4 points on it, top, bottom, left, and right. And we're going to go right there in that corner there, and we're going to select this one, and we're going to go to arrange, and then we're going to come down to copy along path. And yep, he's right. Look, we got all 4 of them. So if I went to 12, they'd all be perfect. And we can change the spacing here. Yeah, so he's right. So this is just a quick update to the last video, copy shapes on a path. And my viewer is right. I want to say thank you to Rebel Taz 123 for making that comment. I came and checked it, and yes, Lightburn now does copy it along the path, no matter where you put it, as long as it's snapped to the path. So thank you, Rebel Taz. I appreciate that, and I'm sure my viewers will appreciate it too. And sometimes I hunt for that little green square, probably more than I should. So that really helps a lot. So quick update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.